Hi, I'm Tim Harrison. I'm the Managing Director of Ionic Rare Earths. I'm here today to talk about our June 2024 quarterly report. The last quarter has seen significant progress across our two operating entities, both Ionic Technologies, located in the UK, and the Makuutu Rare Earth Project in Uganda. I'd like to start off with talking about the progress that we've made in Belfast at Ionic Technologies. Over the last quarter, we've continued to optimise our magnet recycling demonstration plant. That is now producing high purity separated magnet rare earth oxides, and we expect our first delivery to less common metals in coming weeks. Talking about less common metals, during the quarter we announced an MOU. That MOU looks to expand our recycling operations and progress a Western supply chain for the recycling of rare earth permanent magnets. We're also working on the completion of a feasibility study for a commercial plant in Belfast. That feasibility study is nearing completion and is a key marketing tool for us to engage with stakeholders in the UK, including representatives of the UK government, which we've been engaging with. We've just returned from a very successful 2 weeks in the UK, where we've also hosted an analyst visit and also strategics visiting Belfast to look at the progress that the company has made. I think that trip has been very successful. It also gave us an opportunity to show the analysts and strategics the commercial plant site, which we have selected with key stakeholders in Belfast, located right in the middle of the Belfast Harbour. Beyond that, we're also looking at the commercialisation and global rollout of the technology. The company continues discussions with a number of potential stakeholders in key target markets, specifically the US, Europe, and Asia. Further to that, we've also hosted a number of visits over the last quarter with those groups and others who have shown an appetite to be involved in the rollout of Ionic Technologies, plus an opportunity to participate in the first commercial plant to be built in Belfast. If we turn our attention now to Makuutu, Makuutu being a large ionic adsorption clay project, during the quarter we continued the operation of our demonstration plant at Makuutu, producing mixed rare earth carbonate. That material that we've produced is now being sent back to Australia for analysis, and pending the analysis, we'll then be packaging that up and sending that off to potential offtake partners. During the quarter, we also announced a significant increase in the mineral resource estimate at Makuutu. That increase represents about a 28% increase in the overall indicated resource base at Makuutu, specifically on our western tenement. Further to that, we continue with offtake negotiations with strategic partners and customers looking for access to magnet and heavy rare earth product that's not committed to China. Also during the quarter, we announced the formation of a new joint venture. That joint venture is with Viridis Mining and Minerals Limited. It is a 50-50 JV to establish magnet recycling in Brazil, and also a refinery that's capable of taking the product from Colossus and separating that into the magnet and heavy rare earths. We're working now on completing scoping studies on both magnet recycling and a refinery in Brazil, targeting completion by the end of 2024. Finally, during the quarter, we were successful in raising $5.5 million from existing shareholders. That funding that the company's been able to secure will enable us to continue to make progress with our two demonstration plants, providing working capital as we continue to demonstrate the capability of both of our assets, the product quality, and our ability to position ourselves in a new supply chain. We continue to look at reducing costs in a very challenging market. Thank you for your time today, and we appreciate the support of shareholders as we continue to execute our plan and deliver on our commitments. Thank you.